Hi kids, welcome to the BEA Higher Primary School Class 4 Subject English Second Semester Portion Chapter 6 Ira Becomes a Flower Gardener written by Toito Maclis. Before starting the lesson, first let us know about warm-up exercise. Introduction about Indonesia. Children, Indonesia is a Southeast Asian country with more than 14,000 islands. Of these, 8,000 are inhabited. Inhabited means where people used to live, and over 300 languages are spoken across them. This country is known for its beaches, volcanoes, and jungle that shelter elephants, orangutans, tiger, and Komodo dragons. The country also has a unique variety of tropical plants. On the island of Java lies Indonesia's vibrant and sprawling. Vibrant means full of energy and sprawling means large. So, Jakarta is a capital city of Indonesia. The national flower of Indonesia is Melati poeta, means jasmine. Now I will narrate a beautiful story called Ira Becomes a Flower Gardener. Children, here is one beautiful story of a 14-year-old girl called Ira who lives in a Chehejo. In her village, Chibiro, there was held one meeting between investors and farmers about flower plantations. Farmers came from several villages to get guidance about growing flowers. In that meeting, they told that those who were interested in growing flowers were requested to hand in their names to Mr. Sri. Ira lives in a neighbor village of Chehejo. She had interested in flower plantation because of suitable soil and climate. Ira was the eldest of 4 children. She had always loved flowers, and as the daughter of a farmer, she knew a lot about growing plants. Mr. Sri puts her name in the list and gave her a book with the pictures of all kinds of attractive flowers. And they told that the next meeting would be after 3 months. In that book, it was mentioned about names of the flowers and fertilizers to be used to grow flower garden. Ira becomes very sad because she don't know how to read and write. How could she understand what was written in the book if she didn't even know how to read it? In her village, elementary education was compulsory, but she got a typhoid fever and had to stay at home for a month. She becomes lazy and she used her illness as an excuse. She used to spend more time in drawing pictures and stopped attending school altogether. Ira couldn't sleep that night. Her thoughts were far away in a rose plantation. Her family was worried about her, that how could she attend the meeting by herself. Ira knew that she had to attend an important meeting to discuss about the annual kite competition. In her village, Chehejo, villagers had won several prizes in the past and expected Ira to do the illustration means drawing or sketch. Here, first part is completed. I will come back with second part. Let's watch the animated video. Thank you.
Ira becomes a flower gardener. Farmers and investors were meeting for the first time to invest in growing flowers in the villages. After the meeting, names were collected of those who wanted to grow flowers. Young Ira, a bright and cheerful girl, was representing her village as she knew a lot about growing plants. She was given a book with pictures of all kinds of attractive flowers to study. She had to finish reading it in 3 months. She was sad as she didn't even know how to read it. "Oh, how can I grow roses if I don't know how to take care of them? If only I could read the book," she sighed. Ira's mother saw the book and understood. She asked Sari, Ira's friend, to teach her to read and write. Ira made good progress. Soon all her friends joined in teaching her to read, to write, and to take dictation. In the end, the book about flowers was read and discussed in the classroom by all. Soon her garden was full of roses, marigolds, marguerites, and carnations. Ira had become an accomplished gardener.
Dear children, I hope that you are all understood the first part of the lesson. Ira becomes a flower gardener. Now let us solve the question and answers of this part of the lesson. Answer these questions. First, what was the purpose of the meeting of the investors and farmers from the village? Answer: the purpose was to invest their money in flowers to be sold in Jakarta. Second question, which village did Ira represent? Answer: Ira represents the neighboring village of Chehejo. Third question, why was Ira's family worried the next morning? Answer: Ira's family was worried because she had to go Chibiro by herself. Fourth question, why did Ira left the school? Answer: Ira left the school because she got a typhoid fever. Here this first part is completed. I will come back with second part. Thank you, children.